Our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineers and production engineers. The name of the company is Vestas India Career. So I will be giving the link in the description. If you click the link, it will be directing to the official website. If not, also you can type Vestas India Career in Google, and when you give search you will be getting following result. You have to click on the icon called Jobs at Vestas. So it's a core company for mechanical engineers, and kindly don't miss this opportunity. And when you go to the official website, if you scroll down you can see search by location. In that you have to give India. So after giving India, and you have to click on the icon called search jobs. So you will be getting various job opportunities in various locations like Chennai, like as a lead engineer, software engineer, assistant lead engineer. So various disciplines can apply. So whichever is comfortable and applicable for you, you can apply. So see here, lean supply chain specialist and business support professional, etc. So if keep on scrolling down, you can have various job opportunities, and you have to click on the second page. So in results you have to click on the second page. So you will be having engineer sensor. So EEE and EC students can apply for this job, and the job location is in Chennai, and it's under research and development. So when you have to go, you have to scroll back, and you have to click on the third page. Click on the third page. See your third page, so that you will be directed to this page. So today we are going to see job opportunities for manufacturing engineer. So role is engineer, and it's under manufacturing, and job location is Chennai. So those are willing to work in Chennai can apply for this job. So Vestas is one of the world leading technology in wind terminologies, and they are focused on wind power industries. So the main core business will be comprising of manufacturing, sale, marketing and maintenance of wind turbines. So if you are willing to work under them, you come and join with them. So when you scroll down here, they will be giving various responsibilities like cycle time optimization, bill of materials, and responsible for performance analysis, and contributing to the improvement of PC, that is product quality performance, and maintaining and optimizing the NC systems, etc. So qualification, basic qualification is you should have a bachelor degree in mechanical or manufacturing or production or polymer technology. So those candidates can apply, and importantly you should have a minimum of 3 to 5 year experience in manufacturing or production documentation. So experience in wind turbine blades is an added advantage, and other competencies like you have to focus on product and process expertise, and communicate with the conviction, experience with the customer facing position, and you should be familiar with the wind turbines and rotating machineries, etc. So about regarding the Vestas is the one of the leading company in energy industry, and have a glance of it. If you are willing to apply, you can click on the icon called apply now. Just click on the icon apply now. So when you click on apply now, you will be directed to this page, and here you have to upload your resume. So upload your CV and attachment of the cover letter. So you will be having this page like career opportunity, and regarding the file size and all, they will be clearly mention it. Whatever they are saying, kindly adhere to the details. So after attaching your CV and cover letter, if you scroll down, you need to type your basic details like your mail ID, password, and first name, middle name, your date of birth, and postal address, etc. And followingly you will be having certain questions, whether you have how many overall experience you have, and do you have any experience in blades manufacturing process, whether yes or no. Like that you will be having MCQ questions. So these things will be helpful for them for calling for you for the interview. And do you have any experience in NC handling? Are you willing to work from home or relocate to in Chennai? So mention your present employer name and official notice period. So you have to fill all the details. So all the details are required fill, so you can't miss anyone. So mention your current CTC and fixed or variable expected CTC here, so that it will be easy for them to fix your salary. And whether you want to have work in Vestas, so click everything. And finally if you are willing means, and if you completed all the required field means, you can click on the icon apply. So if you miss anything, then you have to fill that, and then only you can apply. So kindly after filling every information, you click on the icon apply. Before that, read the terms and condition of the privacy statement, so in order so that there won't be any issue in future. So after applying, you will be applying for this job. They will be calling through your registered mail ID and phone number. And kindly share this video to mechanical engineers. It will be very useful for them. And job location is also Chennai, so kindly don't miss this opportunity. And we will be bringing all the job opportunities to your doorsteps. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.